Hello guys, how are you? Hope you're fine now. Hope you have a good day guys. Welcome back to another video about Stellar XLM guys. Absolutely guys, this video is special for all Stellar XLM holders, and that is the request video of all XLM holders. So guys, in this video we discuss that what should we do in a right now situation and what is the prediction when there is again possibilities that the price changes will become positive, and when there is again possibility that we get profit from Stellar. So let me show you guys. But if you are new in my channel, if you are new here, so please subscribe now channel for more update and news videos. At this time guys, you can see here the currently price of Stellar XLM is about 0.385814 USD dollar. That is the current price of Stellar. Furthermore, you can see the last 1 hour, last 1 day, these changes is completely negative, going negative. But don't worry guys, very soon these changes will become positive and they will give you profit. But there takes time. You have to just wait guys. Everything takes time in this world. Same situation of Stellar XLM price will become positive, but it takes time. Now when there is possibilities that the price will pump, when? Very soon guys, soon, after 20 October, the possibilities that the price of Stellar XLM will blow up will start. That's my personal opinion, my personal prediction about Stellar. Anyways, what's your opinion, what's your prediction about Stellar? Also share in the comment box. And guys, please don't forget to subscribe channel for more news and update videos.